YouTube, back on another video. Just decided to turn the camera on, give y'all a little POV. I do have a check engine light, sadly, but that will be getting fixed real soon. Car is still running good. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Definitely will be dropping more content for sure. I'm not gonna lie, the past month or so I haven't really been feeling like posting at all, sadly, you know. Had stuff going on in my family, you know. I had a family member who died, so you know how it goes. But we're back and we're gonna be hitting VTEC real soon. Definitely. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe. Little POV for y'all. Know the vibes. Hope y'all having a great day. Also, you know, if y'all have any comments to put in my comment box, just put it in, you know. If y'all have something y'all want me to do, or a type of videos y'all want me to post, just let me know in the comments. Hopefully I can get some pulls in. I'ma see. Like a quiet neighborhood, so I can't really bug out. Lemonade. Yo, there's some Some girls outside just selling lemonade. I don't need y'all lemonade. Car sounds amazing. I am waiting on my hybrid racing Clutchmaster cylinder sleeve, so when that come in, there will be some more content for y'all. For sure. Nice little POV, nothing crazy. Can hear the little exhaust. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Car sounds so good. Absolutely love this car, man. After I install Honda onto this car, the car just lifts up. Like, car is super responsive, super fast. Sadly, I have a lot of traffic, so I can't show y'all. My battery is dying, sadly. Hopefully I can hear this exhaust. Machine. I can do a little second gear pull. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I love this car. My neck right there, cause if you don't, big accident. I actually just bought a damn gas cap for this car from Honda, like a genuine OEM gas cap. I just spent $55 on a damn gas cap. I don't know what to say anymore. Like, everything's expensive. A gas cap should not be that much money, but it's OEM, I guess. Let me me know if you guys will spend $55 on a gas cap. Machine outside. Let's get it. Car is so fun to drive. I am waiting on I actually tried buying the Skunk 2 exhaust, but it's all out of stock everywhere, so until I get one, this will be the sound of the car. It do sound nice though. Traffic, I tell you, absolutely hate it. Don't even try, buddy. Sometimes there's a cop right here, so can't be too loud, you know. Come on, this car just really wanna go, like, I know you guys hear it. Downshift, listen to this. Ooh-wee. Machine. Yeah, man, machine. If I can get a pull for y'all. Car just listen to this car. Sounds so crazy. Ooh-wee. You know, car just wanna move. having fun in my Civic SI, man. Beat the living shit out of it, and it's still outside.